Hi everyone, I'm so glad that I met all of you today and I'm really excited to spend the semester together. So as promised, this is your first weekly video. There will be a video every single week coming out at the beginning of the week talking about the assignments and walking you through Canvas. So one of the most important parts of being successful in this class is knowing how to navigate Canvas. So this is the main page. What's key here is that's my website to sign up for advising. So you'll set up a half-an-hour block. We can talk about career, education, anything you want. We'll meet here in my office. Now, once we're in here, the best way to contact me is through the Canvas inbox. You don't need to go through Atlas. Just click on here and write me an email, and then we'll go from there. The calendar is also set up for this class, so if you click on it, you'll see all of the due dates that are for this class. You can also then click on that, and it will show you the actual assignment. So this is a really key part too. So we'll go back to the dashboard and into our class. So this week what we're doing is we're getting started. You're going to take a look at the syllabus and the assignment schedule, which you've probably already started to do today in class. And what I really want to point out is that this assignment schedule always matches what shows in Canvas. So for instance, here we are. It opens Monday morning, very, very early, and the assignments here are due on that Sunday at 11:59. So this week we have something to read, and then we're taking a quiz, Sunday, 11:59. So for instance here, this next unit will open up on the 13th. I don't have anything due until the 26th, so I have extra time to work on it. So that's how it's going to go all the way through. So let's take a look here. So notice that we're going to click here and we're going to take the syllabus quiz. Now, some of you probably have experience doing quizzes in Canvas before. If not, it's okay. What's really big here is that you always take a look at how many attempts and how many points the total is. So you have 3 attempts for this because the goal is for you to be successful and to learn. So that's what's up this week. I also want to remind you that you can always get a hold of me through the Canvas inbox. This is the best way to reach me. You will hear from me the fastest if you use Canvas inbox. You can also always go to the calendar, and what you're going to see here are the due dates for all of our assignments in this course. And if you click on those due dates, it will bring you directly to that assignment. So depending on if your professor has this function set up or not, you will have the ability to give a click and take a look at it. So that's it for this week. Thanks again for a great class, and I'm always here if you have questions. Bye.